Superman kills Black Canary, but Dr. Fate finds her body and decides to intervene. Sometime later, Dinah wakes up in a cozy cabin, alive and well. Dr. Fate explains that she was supposed to die, but he has transported her to another universe, along with her son Connor. In this new world, Oliver Queen is alive, but the Dinah of this dimension died 5 years ago. Dr. Fate tells Dinah that she has sacrificed enough and refuses to send her back to her original universe. After sharing an emotional farewell with Connor, Dr. Fate vanishes. Dinah and Oliver meet for the first time in this new reality, feeling nervous and uncertain, but also relieved to be together again.